How to get 6 boxes on TikTok Live. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get 6 boxes on your TikTok Live. So before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, head over to your TikTok and start a live. Simply tap on Go Live and start a live. After you've started your live, you will see a more option, that is the 3 dots on the bottom right. Tap on it and you should get something like this. Now tap on the gear icon on the top right. After you tap on it, you will get to this settings page. Now under here, you will need to choose on grid layout to get the 6 boxes. So simply tap on grid and make sure that you have multiple guests on your TikTok and you'll get the 6 boxes that you want. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.